Building a home in carefully planned phases is one of the smartest ways to control cost and protect your cash flow without sacrificing long-term quality. When you build in phases, start by defining a clear master plan that covers the full future house, even if you are only building the core living area first. Work with your designer or builder to lock in the overall footprint, structural layout, and roof shape so future additions or finishes tie in cleanly and do not look like awkward add-ons. Focus the first phase on a fully functional core that includes kitchen, one full bathroom, sleeping space, and essential storage, and keep finishes simple and durable so you are not paying twice later. Plan to finish basements, bonus rooms, and garages in later phases, but always pour foundations, frame walls, and install windows and stairs so those spaces are ready to be completed with minimal disruption. During the early rough-in stage, have your electrician and plumber run extra lines, capped pipes, and empty conduits to future rooms, which costs very little now and saves you from opening walls later. Prioritize a tight building shell with good insulation, high-quality roofing, and properly flashed windows so the structure is dry, energy efficient, and ready for upgrades whenever your budget allows. One common mistake is treating each phase like a separate project instead of parts of a single plan, which leads to mismatched roof lines, oddly placed doors, and expensive structural corrections. So insist on a full build-out plan from day one and keep it updated. Another issue is underinvesting in the envelope and mechanical systems in the first phase, which can cause moisture problems, poor comfort, and high utility bills, so commit early to solid waterproofing, ventilation, and right-sized heating and cooling, even if interior finishes are modest. A third concern is cash flow surprises when later phases cost more than expected or require code upgrades. So build a detailed phased budget, add a healthy contingency, and review local building code now so you know what standards future work must meet. We built bighomeprojects.com to make phased construction easier by helping homeowners find local contractors who understand long-term planning and are open to multi-stage work. We also help contractors connect with new clients and use our discussion community to share lessons, compare strategies, and solve real-world home building questions together.